Samsung Cube Smart Air Purifier with 3-stage True HEPA filter system, silent and wind-free, for allergies, pet dander, odor, and dust. 310 sqft room coverage. Silver about this item: True HEPA filtration. A 3-layer True HEPA filtration system effectively removes 99.97% of ultrafine dust and reduces pet dander and allergens from the air, while an activated carbon filter removes toxic gases like formaldehyde and deodorizes air of odors quiet and wind-free. The Cube's purification system is virtually silent and releases clean air without creating a cold draft throughout your bedroom. Voice control and Wi-Fi. This smart air purifier can be voice controlled through your mobile device using Bixby, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant air quality sensor. An easy-to-read digital display provides air quality feedback through best-in-class lasers that monitor air particles in your room. Long-lasting filter. The powerful filter lasts up to 1 year, even when used 24/7 in normal conditions. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button.